Let's learn about the types of muscles and some of the properties of these muscles. We have three types of muscle, that is skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. This muscle is broadly classified as striated and non-striated. Here the skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle are the striated muscles, whereas the smooth muscle, from the name, as it is as smooth as it does not have any striations. And because of the property of striated muscle, the skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle share some same properties, which include they have sarcomere, they have sarcoplasmic reticulum, they have troponin, they have T tubules. These are the properties shared by both skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle. And moving on to the particular of skeletal muscle, the skeletal muscle starts its contraction after action potential of less than 2 milliseconds. And these are multiple striations and they are multinucleated, each have a nucleus. Multinucleated cells, and its nerve supply is from the somatic nervous system. As the smooth skeletal muscle is the voluntary muscle, so its nerve supply is from the somatic nervous system. Without any ganglion, skeletal muscle reaches its nerve supply from the somatic nervous system. Next, moving on to the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle starts its contraction immediately after the action potential, and it have many branches. And they are single nucleated. It receives the nerve supply from the autonomic nervous system, which includes both sympathetic and parasympathetic. Due to this autonomic nervous system, even the nerve is blocked, heart's continuous contraction through the pacemaker cells. And there is a special function in cardiac muscle, that is gap junction. When a single cell is excited through pacemaker, the action potential is created. This action potential is transferred to the other cells with the help of this gap junction. Gap junctions are the intercellular connections through which action potential is transmitted to all the cells of cardiac muscle, which makes it to contract effectively. As it is also a striated muscle, it also have sarcomere, it also have sarcoplasmic reticulum, it also have troponin, it also have T tubules. Next, moving on to the smooth muscle. From the name, it's as smooth as it does not have any striations, and it is a single nucleated cell. Some of the examples of smooth muscles are, it is seen in the blood vessels, and it is seen in the intestine, and it starts its contraction at 200 milliseconds after action potential generation. There is a special feature in smooth muscle, that is calmodulin, which is a calcium modulating protein which helps the calcium to enter inside the cell, which creates an action potential through which contraction of the smooth muscles happen. And there is a big no in smooth muscle, which includes it doesn't have any sarcomere, it does not have any striations, it does not have any sarcoplasmic reticulum. Instead, we have calmodulin. It does not have any branches, it does not have any troponin or T tubule. This troponin present in the cardiac and does not present in the smooth muscle helps to differentiate when the patient present with chest pain. A patient presenting with chest pain, we order troponin to be done. If it is due to the cardiac ischemia, then troponin will be increased, and it is due to any gastritis or esophageal spasm, troponin will be negative.